Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Feel Like Making Love by Bad Company. If you liked the video, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get started. So the song starts out on this little riff here. That riff ends on the D chord, which is going to be a lot of the rest of the song. Okay, so first chord down here is actually, I think, a D chord also, but you're going to have your ring finger on the D string on the 12th fret, your middle finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and then you're going to take your first finger and you're going to cover up the B and the E string. Okay, you go. Then you're going to slide it all down 2 frets and make it a little lower. You're going to make this little D chord pattern here where you're going to have your first finger on the G string of the 7th fret, your second finger on the 7th fret of the E string, and then you're going to put your ring finger here on the B string on the 8th fret. Take your pinky and you're going to do the hammer on pull off thing here on the E string from the 8th to the 7th, like this. And then you're going to slide down to a D chord, which is going to be your first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, third finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. And then from there it's going to start into the progression, which is the classic It's going to be this D chord. A few times he does the pinky hammer on off on the 3rd fret, but not every time. Then it goes to the G chord. Second finger, 3rd fret of the E string. First finger is going to be on the second fret of the A string. Keep these 2 fingers on these 2 strings here. While you have that G chord, you're going to lift these 2 fingers up, and then you're going to take your first finger and you're going to hammer it down on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then you're going to hit the D string open. And go back to that D chord. And then you're going to go, they turn on distortion, and it is what that is you're going to have a D chord here, except you're going to bar this so you can use you have your middle finger free to make it a G. Okay, it goes feel like making. G, D, D, G, D, D, C, G. It's C, D, D, I'm sorry. C, D, D. So you're going to have your middle finger on the A string on the 3rd fret like this. C, G. And that walk down is a G chord basically. 3rd fret on the A string to the 2nd fret on the A string to the 3rd fret on the E string to the 1st fret on the E string and back to your D chord. Then it slides into this neat little guitar solo. So I've heard this described as the perfect Les Paul solo. And this guitar player's name was Mick Ralphs, and he was really prolific guitar player. So it's almost like a slow motion guitar solo, but it's really easy to mess up. So you really need to take your time and practice this. So it slides down like this, almost this whole chord here. So if you start out on the 5th and the bar of the 5th and put your ring finger on the 7th fret on the A string and slide down 2 frets. So you're going to slide down, then you're going to hit the A string on the 9th fret, and then you're going to do this hammer from the 7th to the 9th fret on the D like this. Open G string, not open, but slide down, and you're going to have this chord here. You're going to have your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string. You're going to bar across these lower 4 strings with your 1st finger, and then your middle finger is going to be on the 8th fret of the B string. You're going to take your 2nd finger and you're going to do that, and you're going to hit this G string here with your bar on the 7th fret. Then you're going to take these 2 fingers and you're going to, so you're going to put your 3rd finger on the 10th fret, middle finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and go. Hit the B string again, and the G string. And you're going to go back to that chord you're at before. He basically plays the same thing twice. It's such a perfect little solo that he does it twice. That's great. It's a great solo. Then it goes back into the old D chord up here. Then it goes, in the end, it goes to the G D, the C D G part again. So those are the three major parts of the song. The solo, the 2 chord progressions, and it's really a nice, pretty guitar song, and it's the old D, C, G chords that you use in a lot of rock and roll songs. The solo I've been playing for years, and I still mess it up sometimes, so don't be discouraged. But it's a very slow thing, and it sounds really, really nice, especially if it's turned up loud, but you got a clean sound. So anyway, I hope you like this, and I hope it helps you out. And if you get something from this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a good day.